Good day, everyone. In this presentation, we will be discussing the common customer pain points and their solutions. So, we are the group three, and I am the group leader, Liza Luterte, and with my members, Mr. Lance Krista Rubio and Miss Cherry.
For the introduction, I am here to give a brief overview of our topic. So what is a customer pain point? A customer pain point is um, this is the unmet need of or frustration surface during the sales process that's waiting to be solved. So discovering and addressing customer pain points is essential for any business aiming to excel in customer satisfaction and retention. So these pain points include the difficulties and yeah, what I said, the frustrations that customers encounter when engaging with products or services. They can directly influence their overall experience and perception of a brand. So in our report, we're going to look into the heart of these challenges, offering a detailed real world examples and specific solutions um, designed to enable businesses to deliver top notch customer experiences.
So, for our key aspects, we have the common customer pain points. So, go on for the first one. It is the long wait times, and in this customer pain points, the customer often spends excessive time on hold or waiting for a response. So, let's say, for example, when we call on in this service, internet service provider, the first agent that will answer your question is an AI agent, wherein this AI will ask for your information, and then you have to dial it on your phone while on call, and then after that AI gathered your information, you have to wait for a couple of minutes for you to be transferred to a human agent that will really solve your problem or concern. So upon calling this internet service provider, I have to wait for about more than 10 minutes while just listening to their cue music to be transferred to a human agent. So it takes time before um they can be before you can be transferred to a human agent. So it can lead to boredom and frustration, and of course you value your time. It can lead um to a pain point wherein a customer would lead to a dissatisfaction with your service. So next we have the repeated information requests. So in this one, the customer gets frustrated when they have to repeat their concerns to multiple agents. So as what I have said earlier, the in that internet service provider, the AI would ask your informations that you have to type it in your phone, to dial it in your phone so that they can recognize it. And then when you get transferred to a human agent, they will ask the same question like your basic informations, your number, your order number, something like that. So that repeated information request also takes time to before you can resolve the issues that you are facing with their services. So for number three, we have the unresolved issues and multiple transfers. So for these customer pain points, customer feel dissatisfied when their problems isn't solved and in one interaction. So they're passed from one department to another. So not necessarily one department to another, but one agent to another. So this pain point can lead to the customer to think that you don't know how to solve their problem. So client really think that when they call a customer service, they expect the agent to know the solutions to their problem. That's why they call, right? So if the customer feel that she or he are being transferred multiple times, so he or she can think that the issues can't be resolved, and also it is irritating that you have to, of course, when you are transferred from one agent to another, you have to repeat the same issues that you're seeing, right? So that the current agent will know what's your concern is. So they have to really, um, they can lead to dissatisfaction again, and can lead the client to leave your no, to leave your service. Next, we have the number four, lack of personalized service. So customers dislike generic or scripted responses that don't address their specific concern. So in this point, um, the client wants, of course, every one of us as a client, of course, we want to have this personalized experience in one company to another. So let's say, for example, in a coffee shop, so you are a customer in here every day. Every day you visit this coffee shop. Every day you greet their baristas, their staffs, and you know them. You talk to each other for like a small talk. Every day when in your order, they ask your name every day, and then you have to respell it to them. Customer might think that they are being forgotten, so and they are not receiving the personalized service. The company aren't familiar with that specific person, but that person is offering you the loyalty that he or she are visiting your company every day. Next is for the number five, the inconsistent information and miscommunication. So, of course, different agents provide conflicting answers, so leading to confusion and distrust. So, let's say, for example, the first agent that answered your call is agent one, and then you were transferred to agent two because that first agent can't resolve your problems. And again, you have to repeat your concern, and then this agent would suggest you a different resolution, different from the first agent's suggestions to your concern. So this can lead to confusion and miscommunication. So the client will be confused. Who will she follow? Whose solution will she follow? So in this slide, we will be discussing the solutions to address the customer pain points. For number one, we have the efficient call flow and queue management. So the solution is to use callback options and estimated wait time notifications to improve customer experience. For example, a telecom company allows customer to request a callback instead of waiting on hold and waiting for a long period of time, around 10-15 minutes. Instead that they wait, they have let the agent call them back. And next is we have the centralized customer information system. Implements a system wherein all customer details and past interactions are stored for easy access. So the customer wouldn't have to repeat their information again and again every time they would call your customer service. For number three, we have the proper training for first class resolution. For in here, the train agents, you have to train agents to resolve the common issues without needing transfers. So let's say, for example, a tech support agent is trained to troubleshoot basic phone issues or internet issues instead of forwarding the call to another department because it will lead to frustration and boredom to the customer. And number four, to have a active listening and personalized interactions. Again, active listening is very crucial when working to customer service. And for the solution, we have the agents should acknowledge customer concerns, show empathy, and offer customer solutions. Let's say, for example, clothing brand remembers a return customer or repeat customers' past orders. So because the client would likely to suggest similar styles or orders to that specific customer, to that repeat customer. Next, we have the standardized information and quality assurance. So, solution is to ensure all agents provide the same accurate information through standardized scripts and training. So, again, on our third point, wherein we discussed that you have to train your agents, so they have this similar resolution to a specific problem. So the your client would be confused which one would he or she follow.
Resolving customer pain points with clear communication and structured call flows improve efficiency, builds trust, enhance engagement, and strengthen long-term loyalty.